Welcome back to offline class. Today we are going to discuss grammar topic, that is voice. Voice is there in your fifth lesson. Fifth lesson there is a voice. Grammar topic is mentioned. Before going to discuss this voice, I hope you have written exams well, all exams. Most of the students have attended this online classes, online exam. Children, we will post the marks in FA1 and FA2 marks in one slip, and we will see how many students got better marks in FA2 than FA1. Children, you have to pay more concentration about this grammar topic. Coming to this grammar topic, we know the tenses. 12 tenses are there in grammar. 12 tenses. There are 12 tenses are there. 12 tenses mean 12 aspects. 12 aspects. Aspects are there. 3 tenses. 3 tenses. What are the 3 tenses? Present tense, present, past, future, and future. There are 3 tenses in English. There are 3 tenses. Under these 3 tenses, there are 12 aspects. Present tense under 4 aspects, past tense under 4 aspects, and future tense under 4 aspects. Total 12 aspects are there under tenses. These all tenses do not change into passive voice. All 12 tenses are active voice. Please remember, all 12 tenses are active voice. These 12 tenses do not change into passive voice. What are those tenses? We discuss. See, first one is present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense, and second one is past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense. Next, third one is future perfect continuous tense. Last one is future continuous tense. Future continuous tense. These four aspects do not change into passive voice. There are 8 aspects change into passive voice. Remaining, see, present perfect continuous tense. In present tense, 4 aspects are there. See, first one is simple present, present continuous, and present perfect. Only 3. Present tense under 3 aspects change into passive voice. Listen carefully, children. Present tense under 4 aspects are there, but only 3 aspects change into passive voice. Which one doesn't change into passive voice under present tense? Present perfect continuous tense does not change into passive voice. Simple present, present continuous, and present perfect. three aspects change into passive voice. Next, past tense. Past tense also three aspects change into passive voice. One aspect doesn't change into passive voice. What is that? Past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense does not change into passive voice. Three aspects change into passive voice. What are those? See, simple past, past continuous, past perfect. Present and past different, but these three are same. See here. Here 3 plus 3 6. In future tense four aspects are there. Only two aspects change into passive voice. Two aspects don't change into passive voice. See here. Future perfect continuous, future continuous. These are in future tense. Two are there. Past tense one is there, and present tense one, future tense two. Total 4. See here, 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 2 8. 6 plus 2 8. 8 aspects change into passive voice. This is the rule, one most important rule in voice. You have to remember, and you should know all tenses structures perfectly. Without if any after coming to school, first you will ask the tenses. English teacher, whatever the class it may be, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, they ask tenses. The person who wants to learn voice, he must know the tenses. See here. Here, this is first rule. What is that rule? Only 4 aspects do not change into passive voice. Remaining 8 aspects change into passive. 8 aspects change into passive voice. See, another rule is there, children. Please listen carefully. Second rule is, see, second rule. See, these are subjects. These are objects and subjects. Subjects we represent with S, objects we represent with O. See, if there is a name in active voice, suppose Ravi. Ravi doesn't change into another name. Ravi remains Ravi in active voice as well as passive voice also. Here you see, if it is I is in active voice, that means active voice, that I change into me. We change into us. You change into you. You remains you only in active voice and passive voice also. She change into her. He, him. It remains it only. They, them. These you have to remember and you have to by heart. See, when it comes to object place, these type of these will change into I change into me, we change into us, you change into you, he remain you only, remaining all same. See, now we are going to discuss past tense first. Past tense we are going to change into active voice to passive voice. Active voice to passive voice. First one, you see. First, what is the structure of simple past? Simple past structure is subject V2 plus object. Subject V2 plus object. Subject V2 plus object. What is this V2? Suppose go is present tense. Suppose present tense. Past tense went. Past participle is go, went, gone. This is V1, this is V2 form, this is verb V3 form. Verb 1 and verb 2 and verb 3. Go, went, gone. These three total 5 verb forms are important. Go, went, gone, going, goes. These 5 you have to by heart. Up to 5 very important. B4 and B5. See, now in this tense, simple past tense, we have to remember this V2 form. Sing is there. Sing, sang, sung, singing, singing, sings. These are the verb forms. So many verb forms are there. At least you must know 500 tenses. 500 tenses up to 5. Up to V5 form you should by heart. Sing, sang, sung, singing, sings. See, we will take sang. This is also V2 form. Okay, children, see the board very carefully. See. She sang a song. She sang a song. Apply the structures. She is subject. She is subject. Sang is V2 form. A story is object. See, this sentence and this structure should be same. Sentence and structure should be same. This is active voice. This is active voice. Voice needs subject, verb and object. Subject, verb and object. The rules you have to remember very carefully. See, this is active voice. Whenever you want to change active voice to passive voice, first you have to bring this subject in place of this object in place of subject. See, a story, capital A song, story or song, a song. See, this is past tense. What are the past tense helping verbs? See, was, were, were. These are past tense helping verbs. Past tense helping verbs. When you will use was, when you will use were. See, I, we, you, they, he, she, it. See, I was. First person singular. I after was you have to use. We, you, they after you have to use were. We, you, they after you have to use were. And he, she, it after you have to use was. You have to use was again. See, I have first person singular. You have to use was. We, you, they after were plural. These are plurals. You have to use were. See, third person singular. He, she, it. After you have to use was. See, children. A song. A song means one song. We can call that song lifeless things. We can call it. Suppose it. A book, a song, a chair. We can consider as it. It after what will come? See here. It after it. It after what will come? It after was helping word to have to use. Sir, why we should not use is here? Why we should not use is here? Because it is in past tense. By seeing V2 form, you have to understand that this is past tense. In past tense you have to use past helping verbs. Past helping verbs you have to use. Past helping verbs, two are there. You have to use these two based on the subject verb agreement. There is a agreement. Both it after was should come. It after was. A song is, if you consider a song as it after what will come? Was. A song was. What is the V3 form? First we have to bring object in place of subject. Object in place of subject. Object came first. In place of subject place, object came. See, subject after a song after you have to use was. After writing was, a song was, V3 form you have to write here. Here V3 form you have to write. Sing, sang, sung. Sung. A song was sung. You have to use by preposition. It is very important. By preposition. A song was sung by. She changed into, I told you, it is subject. When it goes to object place, she changed into her. She changed into her. This is passive voice. This is PD, means passive voice. If at all you want to change active voice to passive voice, these rules are compulsory. First, this is subject noun. It is there in subject place, but it is not doing any action. It is here doing some action. Who is singing song? She is singing song. But subject here in passive voice. Subject is passive. Subject doesn't do anything. See, she sang a song. If at all you want to change this sentence once again, I explain. If at all you want to change this active voice to passive voice, first you have to bring this object in place of subject. In place of subject. If it is plural, she sang songs. She sang songs. Suppose here, if you keep S, she sang songs. Here you will keep S and you have to write word. Word. If it is plural, you have to use were. If it is singular, you have to use was. So, see a song here, a song. If it is singular, was will come. If it is plural, what you have to use. A song was sung by her. In place of, you have to bring this object in place of subject. It is singular. That's why you have to use one song. That's why you have to use was. Helping verb. And V3 form, verb V3 form you have to write. Whenever you want to change active voice to passive voice, you have to use V3 form. A song was, this is V3 form, and by preposition should come immediately after V3 form. A song was sung by, this is preposition. This is preposition. By preposition is compulsory. Sometimes it changes, but most of the time it comes by comes in passive voice. She changed into her. She changed into her. These are the rules you have to follow while changing from active voice to passive voice. A song was sung by her. This is passive voice. See children, one more example I will give you on the board. See these rules. Before going another example, you should know how to change positive sentence into negative sentence. Same sentence. I'll write again. She sang a song. She sang a song. See, this is active voice. No need to mention active voice. This is positive sentence. Assertive sentence or declarative sentence. See, assertive sentence or declarative sentence. She sang a song. This is positive sentence. If at all you want to change the sentence into negative sentence, see, she did not sing a song. Sing a song. This is negative sentence because not is there in the sentence. This is negative sentence. Sing. She did not sing a song. This sentence we have changed into passive voice. Now we will change into negative sentence into passive voice. Shall we do that? Okay. First, as the same rule, you have to follow the same rule. Same rule. A song, you have to bring first a song. One song. That's why you have to use was. A song was seen. Here did is also helping verb. Helping verb after not has come. See here. Helping verb after not has come. Here also you have to use not. This is also helping verb. You have to use not. Immediately after helping verb you have to keep not. A song was not V3 form same, not sung by preposition we have to use by. A song was not sung by. She changed into her. This is passive voice of negative sentence. Passive voice already we have done for positive sentence. This is negative sentence. A song was not sung by her. This is negative sentence. Passive voice. Active, positive sentence, active voice. Before we have done. Next, question form, active voice also there. Question form, active voice and passive voice. Question form two are there. Yes or no question and WH question. Those two sentence will change into passive voice. Total four are there under active voice and passive voice. See, she sang a song. Already we have done. She did not sing a song. A song was not sung by her. In 6th class, up to positive sentence and negative sentence are enough. Positive sentence and negative sentence are enough. I hope you have understood this active voice and passive voice. One more example I will give. See, you should, if you know the rules, if you concentrate, you will do all exercise what is given in your textbook. See, textbook. Once you see another example, I will write on the board. See, they bought a car. They bought a car. They after, see, first identify subject. Bought, V2 form, a car object. See, a car object. This is, once you see, a car is object. See here, bought. What is the present tense of bought? What is the present tense of bought? By past tense is, by past tense, this is V1 form. By past tense is bought, not brought. B-R-O-U-G-H-T, brought. This is wrong. By past tense bought. By past tense bought. B-O-U-G-H-T, bought. See, they bought a car. Suppose you should, this is active voice. You have to follow the rules. What is the rule? You have to bring object in place of subject. A song. A car is one car. That's why you have to use what? What will you use? See, a car, one car. So a car was. Immediately after V3 form you have to write after helping them. A car was by, bought. V3 form also bought. Bought. Preposition we have to use immediately after V3 form. V3 form after by we have to use. By. See, a car, helping verb V3 after you have used by preposition. Here they change. Subject goes in place of object. Subject goes in place of object. What is subject here? They. When it goes to object, it changes into object form. What is the object form of they? They change into them. T-H-E-M. Then this is passive voice. This is passive voice. A car was bought by them. A car was bought by them. This is passive voice, children. See, 2, 3 I told. One is negative and 2 are positive. See, in your textbook page number 75, there are 75 page number. There are 10 examples are there. Please complete these 10 at home and send through WhatsApp. Okay? Send through WhatsApp. These are 10 examples. You complete and send through WhatsApp. I will check at least 5. At least 5 examples you have to do at home and send send it fast. Okay, bye children. We'll discuss remaining we will discuss tomorrow's class. Until then, bye, have a good day.